In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to your Google Calendar. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and ensure that all your to-dos and appointments are in one convenient spot. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the information you need to seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools to make sure you're always on top of your schedule. So, let's get started by opening the Notion website. Once you've logged into your account, you'll want to focus your attention on the left-hand side of your screen. As you navigate your way down to the bottom corner, you should be able to spot an option called Calendar. Now, this will be your gateway to connecting Notion with your Google Calendar. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've done so, you'll see a prompt or a series of prompts appear on your screen. These are designed to guide you through the process of linking your Notion account with your Google Calendar. It's important to follow these prompts carefully. Typically, this involves signing into your Google account or selecting the account you wish to use if you haven't already done so in your browser. You might also encounter a window asking for permission. This is perfectly normal. Google is simply asking you to confirm that you want Notion to access your calendar data. You'll want to grant this permission to move forward with the integration. Security is important, and rest assured, both Google and Notion take it seriously, meaning your information remains safe. Once you complete these steps, the integration should be up and running. The magic lies in how Notion reflects the events and tasks from your Google Calendar. When that's done, any event you add or modify in Notion will sync beautifully with your Google Calendar and vice versa. This means you don't have to jump back and forth between platforms to keep track of what's happening. It all happens automatically, giving you the peace of mind to focus on what truly matters. A neat trick to make the most out of this integration is to start adding tasks directly in your Notion calendar. You can schedule your activities, whether it's meetings, project deadlines, or personal to-dos, directly from Notion. As you do this, take the time to explore the different views and options that Notion provides, allowing you to tailor your scheduling experience to suit your needs best. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Notion to your Google Calendar, keeping your schedule organized and up to date across both platforms. This simple integration can be a game changer, helping you remain productive and efficient. Thanks for joining me today. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite digital tools.